Wow, check out this gorgeous home in Bulverde, Texas. This custom modern home is a masterpiece of architectural excellence that unfolds on over 5 acres of captivating landscape. Discover the unparalleled luxury in this esteemed Monteola gated community. Be enveloped in the brilliance of abundant natural light, cascading through the stunning entryway. This is a massive kitchen. You're gonna love this. Check it out. Craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail define every facet of this exceptional home. For the oversized quartz countertops in the gourmet kitchen, each element reflects a harmonious blend of sophistication and functionality. Take a look at this owner's suite. The inclusion of a luxurious jacuzzi bathtub and an oversized walk-in closet with an island well demonstrates a commitment to an elevated lifestyle. Whether you seek a private sanctuary or a captivating venue for grand gatherings, this home caters to every desire. It seamlessly blends a comfort of luxury and timeless design as a testament to an unparalleled living. So thank you for touring with us. If you want to tour this home or any home here in San Antonio, feel free to reach out to us. My name is Robert Otten with the Garza Home Team here at RE/MAX North San Antonio.